Hello guys, welcome again to GG Beloved. On this platform where we explore how to use AI for education for various domains. Okay, let's dive into today's video. Today's video we're going to be using ChatGPT to create flowchart. Okay, and then first thing I want to do is I want to ask ChatGPT to please give me step-by-step roadmap to understand sex education. Please ask me follow-up questions to get my desired results. Now, you see my prompt. I asked it to ask me follow-up questions in order to get my desired results. So you can see that it started giving me those follow-up questions so that I can get a custom response. Okay, so I will give you the answer now. Now, if you consider the approach I used, I asked it follow-up question, so it helped me to define the target, the depth of understanding. Do I want something that is very detailed? Do I want something that is basic? And then topic of interest. We have various topic of interest when it has to do with sex education, right? So I chose gender identity and sexual orientation. And then it also asks for cultural and ethical consideration. So I asked it for regional perspectives. Then it asks for learning format. I chose videos. So let's check it out. Now here's a step-by-step roadmap for understanding. So you can see it has already started giving me a roadmap: introduction to sex education, understanding gender identity, understanding sexual orientation, key concepts, regional perspective. So these are my. So would you like to refine further based on a country, or if I want to refine it based on my country, I will have to input that, but I don't want to. Let me move forward. So create a flowchart based on the steps provided. Please ask me follow-up questions to get my desired result. Now this follow-up question is very powerful because it helps you to customize customize the responses you are going to be getting. So it's going to be very, very targeted to what you want to achieve. Okay, so let's proceed. Now, before creating the flowchart, I need some clarification to ensure I meet your expectation. Now, you see my responses. Ask the type. I said text only. Then the flowchart format. I asked it to choose the best format. Then output format. I want it to be a Mermaid code. And then regional focus. Yes. So this is one of the best ways this flowchart can help you create a structured flowchart for any concept you want to understand. Got it? Here's a text only flowchart in Mermaid code with a linear progression and section for regional perspective. This can be compatible with. Okay, so let's copy it. Okay, now I've copied this Mermaid code. Now key point: introduces sex education, explains gender identity, clarifies sexual orientation and distinction from gender identity, discusses regional perspective. And if I want to adjust it, I can equally adjust it, but for the sake of this video, I've just copied my Mermaid code. Now let's go to draw.io. Now when you get to draw.io, this is a tool, a free online diagram software for making flowchart, process diagrams, whatever it is you want to do. If you want to get something that has to do with process diagrams, you can still follow our workflow and get your process diagrams using draw.io. Okay, so now let's allow it to load. While it loads, then we have to get started. Okay, so here is so now I have it save diagrams to decide later. Now when you get to this tool, you want to click on arrange, click on insert, come to advanced. Now when you get to advanced, click on Mermaid. Now this is the place you paste that code. Click on insert. So you can see, right, we have our flowchart, so you can customize as you want. If I want to make it all colored, whatever it is I want to do, so here I can do the customization based on my interest. Okay, so that is it. and now I can save my work. Say click here to save. If I want to save it, I can save it as vector image, which is the best. I can save it as a bitmap image, as PNG. So whatever any format that I choose to save it at, I can change the location where this device anywhere. So I hope you find this video very helpful, right? So that's exactly what we do in our channel. I go out to give you something very unique, something you will not find anywhere else. So you can actually use this method, this workflow, for any process you want to learn, right? So thank you very much. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and ask a question. Thank you very much.